Hello, good morning. It's December 1 and hindi ko alam kung ngayon na i-release yung board exam result namin. And yes, we are going to gardening. It's already 7:18 and hoping the result is good to me. Baka naman para ma-promote tong suot-suot kong pang-gardening. Good morning. It's December 2 and wala pa ring signal dito sa atin. Kailangan nating pumunta sa kabilang banger para maki-wifi, para malaman na kung ano ang result. Be good to me. Result good to me. Let's go.